Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Hialeah. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar. You need to type down pay traffic ticket online in Hialeah and you need to enter it. And from the search result, you need to select this top website here, traffic citation from the Hialeah. Once inside this homepage here, you need to scroll a bit down and select this online here in order to pay the fine. From here, scroll a bit down and select this paid traffic citation. So over here, you can search it by the citation number, state case number, defendant name, or driver's license. As I'm going to select the citation number. And after that, select this I'm not a robot captcha here and select this search in the bottom. After that, you can follow the instruction, review the payment due, and you can pay online with your Visa, MasterCard, or Discover, or American Express. And you can save your payment confirmation, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.